This is the integrated digital twin system for oil temperature prediction and robotic arm maintenance of power transformer. The oil temperature historical data. We can view data and provide data support for prediction. This is the oil temperature prediction chart, using our proposed prediction algorithm for long time series prediction. On the right side is our manipulator state chart and manipulator virtual control interface. At the same time, the robot arm path can also be set to complete a specific task. We first connect the virtual and real communication of the robot arm. Then come to the virtual system to open the communication serial port. At this time, we establish the virtual real mapping of the manipulator. And we can control the virtual model through the robot arm control interface on the right side. And map it to the physical robot arm object in real time. Transformer simulation model in the system. We get his real-time state through some sensors. If there is a difference between the predicted transformer oil temperature and the real-time temperature obtained by the sensor, and the difference is greater than the threshold X, then we think that the transformer temperature is abnormal. We will use the robot arm to do a series of maintenance work, such as carrying cooling equipment around the transformer for physical cooling. We carried out modeling and simulation to simulate this process as much as possible. Here we do a simulation of carrying tools. We simulated the process of monitoring the actual temperature around the power transformer by carrying a temperature sensor on the manipulator. These fixed maintenance operations can be set in advance by the digital twin system.